What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Bonham Tx. This is Josh. I'm over here with Joe. We are checking out the new babies. Megawatt Kid has finally arrived, and they come in with a bang. We knew they would, but we're out here looking at them. I want to show you guys these good-looking Megawatt Kids. So far, we've had 5 kids born, 4 doelings, and 1 buck. And the buck kid that was born is a pretty good-sized kid. But here's the one that had the triplets. We pulled her and put her in here by herself so she can take care of these kids. She's a nice doe, nice New Zealand doe. Last year, this doe right here, she raised our 2 best buck kids, and then we put this little nanny in here. She was kind of having a little bit of trouble having one, so we put her in here, and she's got 2 doelings. Got that colorful one like her and a solid white one.
Jumping around.
They have been up, nursed, cleaned off, and now they're fishing to find it. They like to play. Boy, I tell you what, these Kikos, they are active little things.
Sharpening his horns, I guess.
Yeah. That's who's making all the racket. Here's the one that had triplets. She got this one big buck kid, black, and then got 2 over there underneath her are the doelings, and this one right here, we've got a buddy that's got a Megawatt doeling or doe, and she's kind of an orange color. We've been wanting to get an orange colored doeling. Hopefully she will be. She's kind of reddish orange right now. But this is a really good mama. She takes really good care. She'll raise these triplets up. She'll do a good job with them. We've got fresh water. We got hay. We got a light in here for them. And we'll give her a few days with these kids. And we'll kick them out to the pasture because we'll have somebody else to take her place. I want to take a second and tell you guys thanks for watching the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Stay up with what we got going on, and hit the like button if you want to. Share the video. Do us a favor and help us out. We're trying to get as many subscribers as we can. Just stay up with us. We're going to be doing lots of videos about baby goats. Like I said, the kids that hit the ground today are out of our bucks, and we're going to be filming lots of videos on baby goats.
You can tell it. You can tell it.
Yeah, that's a cute.
You can tell it's Megawatts.
Yeah, she had triplets last time.
Mm-hmm. But she looks good, don't she?
Yeah, yeah, she's got a good body condition. Here's a couple of these little kids that were born the other day. They're doing good. Out sunning. We're out here in one of these pastures where the does are at, and we got several in here that's pretty close. I want to show you this one. She had triplets last year, and looks like she might have triplets again. She's a New Zealand. She was born to bred to Megawatt. She's pretty big. Got a big old belly on her. bagged up pretty good. She's ready to go. Here's another one right here. It's close to. Yeah, they're ready to go too.
You ain't kidding.
Golly.
She gonna do 3.
Yeah. I got this little baby in here following me around, but we've had some pretty good temperatures. We had about 4 inches of rain. She's worried about her baby. She had a little doeling. That's the one that had triplets last year. Give us one little single doeling. That's fine. It's a nice kid too. But I just wanted to show you guys how we deal with this cold weather at night. We got this hut set up in here, and inside we got a lamp in here, and we got fresh hay, and these kids can get inside this little hut, get in there and lay underneath that lamp and stay nice and warm. We got these two guys in the buck palace. They got their own little pen in here, and we got them put in here right now until we're going to build us a new buck facility, or new buck quarters, I guess you could say. But right now they're in here. They've been in here for a little while. They got good hay, fresh water, and here's Megawatt. This is what all these kids are out of today. No BT kids are born. But this is an impressive Kiko. We've been anticipating his kids, and they have finally arrived. He's a nice looking goat, big bodied, thick. If you're looking for a Kiko buck, that's what you want. And I think we're gonna have several of them this year out of him, because we bred him to our top quality does, and I think we're gonna have several nice buck kids. Joe cut down a cedar tree, and we drag it up here, and a goat's about the only animal I know that will eat a cedar, but they will clean the bark, clean every bit off this cedar tree. They'll eat it up. It's kind of like a natural dewormer. You can see where they picked through it. Megawatt Kids to hit the ground, and they did today. We're glad to have him here, and we're glad to be having some quality kids coming out. That's why we bought him, to improve our herd, and he's going to do it. We just got a storm waiting to happen. We've got them going to be hitting the ground, and hopefully the weather will continue to stay like it is. Nice out here. Perfect weather for kidding. She's bouncing around. She's got plenty of milk. We've done cut the umbilical cords and put iodine on them and got them all taken care of, and they got fresh hay in here, got fresh water, they got good bedding. We'll give these right here a couple days and get them up and going good, and they'll be out in the pasture with them ones that are about a week old. We're gonna do what we do. Joe's done got them cleaned off and taken care of, but we're going to get a weight on them. It gets a little loud, but these are for our records and for the paperwork. We decided to rest them. Both of them are doe kids. Five. We just got these kids weighed, and let me pull out my phone. We just got these kids weighed, and the triplets The boy weighed 7.93, the red doe 5.10, the black doe 5.56, and they are steadily gaining weight right now. They're laying on the ground sucking. She's taking good care of them. She's a good disposition. She's a good mama. What you want right there. So I wanted to give you guys a video as soon as our kids hit the ground out of our bucks. You can see that they hit the ground running. Today we had 5 born out of 3 nannies. We got 55 more nannies to go, so going to be lots of kids. They're doing really good. We did get some weights on them, and the one that had the triplets, she's probably had our best 2 bucklings last year, and I'm glad we got 2 does out of her because we really like her. But appreciate you guys watching, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.